Good morning, guys. What we do today, babe?
Like this, maybe you will see that it's not pretty to vlog like this. Alex like the girl that do this. What the fuck? It's more pretty to be natural, no? Even if you look a little bit less sexy. Ciao Denise.
Hi.
No, si deve fare... altrimenti non siamo abbastanza fighe per gli uomini, no?
Ok.
Se non fai la zoccola.
Sapevo mi vestivo meglio.
Infatti, ma non ti sei messo su dei pantaloni col top?
Pantaloni di pelle.
Tanto non fa freddo.
No, che non la
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my face
dai.
more fat?
Vedi, britannici open the camera, io.
No, fa freddo, cosa dai?
I'm tired of Alex, but I need to stay with him because we had a baby together. Now me, I want to escape, but I cannot because he's keeping me with the violence.
Non la vedo, sta con i dentini.
He's hearing me. Hurt me. It's not there. I have to go. Bye. It's true. Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right.
What's up, guys? So now we are at the top with La Famiglia, the terrible family.
Io ho fatto l'età.
Anche il certificato sportivo quindi abbiamo fatto.
Sì, ci devi fare il test sotto sforzo che devi fare anche.
Matteo, facciamo i bravi italiani, ci stai su in macchina. Avevo giusto bisogno di giardino. Sasso Gordone. Quello là, guarda che... Guarda Alex.
Sì.
Peccato che non c'è proprio...
We see up there.
Sasso Gordone.
A quanti metri siamo, Paolo?
Oh, ma non è altissimo.
Siamo a 1300?
Può essere, sì. 1200, 1300. Vedi, con là è Sasso Gordone.
1300 meters. We are in the Como province. Como province is very close to Varese, where we live, in the province of Varese. And that's it. Now, actually, I have no idea why we came here. It's Paolo, the dad of Luana, that said, we go there this Sunday. So we say, yes, why not? So we'll discover this place together. Hey, I don't have the best shoes ever. I was not expecting to walk in the snow. I was not expecting to trek at all. So I have my Timberland with they're very flat shoes. Facciamo 2 passi.
Sto scendendo anche così di rompermi.
Paolo said, andiamo a fare 2 passi. It's like, we go walk before to go at the chalet, but actually I feel that I do ski. A real hiker girl. Oh, look, this beautiful flower. He's talking about, he said, oh, it's the house of the wish. Hey, Paolo now is telling me that on the other side of this old gate, I don't know if we see it good, because it's all like it's full of rusted, I think in good terms. We are in Italy now, and this gate with all the stuff here. On the other side, it's Switzerland. So here's Switzerland, here it's Italy. Okay. Hello, Denise.
You never include me in the vlog.
Oh my god, you complain every time. So this was the house probably of they call this the Guardia di Finanza here in Italy, in Italian.
Take a shot of the baby.
Yes.
And of me here.
The old one. It's nice. I don't know how old this house can have, but I think it's quite old.
Vieni Carolina.
Turn it like, but with this.
Oh my god, she wanted to take picture of her like this. And I said, oh, tick, tick, tick. Yeah, but I think it's fine. It's amazingly beautiful here. He said that we need to go take Sentiero, means like, I would say, not the street, but the way. Because it's a bit more pretty and easy. But still with these shoes, it's really a shit. It's funny because Kiko is completely blind. He lost the view like some months ago, but we bring him everywhere anyway. He really don't see anything. He really don't know where. Good job, Kiko! People that they probably doing duro. Tree out there. This beautiful flower too. Now we're supposed to be in Switzerland. Wow. Ah, sì.
Casima. Monte Casima.
Hello guys, just wanted to show you at another place. But it's not, we are at the same place, but I've been a little bit more far. So I'm not sure, but I think like there is probably some animal, some goat or some cow somewhere, and they come here, some contadino, some farmer, that they come with some animal here to make them eat the grass here, probably to do some milk or some cheese, to give a very beautiful and nice taste to, sorry for the wind, to the cheese or the milk. This is what I think. A beautiful tree there, beautiful mountain out there too. Family they have been there. Beautiful. You feel the space, you feel the nature, you breathe. I God, you feel the energy inside of the body. It's incredible, it's very nice. There is a little house in the tree here. They are probably to hunt some birds. Nice. I'm actually inside the little house that I saw. So look at this here. In the tree, it's a really nice. It's probably like a little hunting house that they build. Pay attention because I'm really not sure if everything will fall down. But you have a very pretty view of everything around. So now, without to kill myself, I will try to go down. Because there is just these two pieces of wood and there is nothing else. So. I'm alive. Let's go drink a good beer. We have a little climber with us. little adventurous baby. Eccola lì. She's very good.
Oh guys, it was pretty hard the walk, even it's not so long, but it was really like this uphill. So now Coralie, she was very good actually. She did very well, and she walked alone, but now she began to be tired. So she has been on Daddy's shoulder, and here is full of like all the snow, which is so dangerous because you can slip so easily. So now probably I will sleep, but oh shit, I'm falling. Yes, there I am. And it was really another nice day. Now I think Coralie have a lot of cough. She has a lot of cough. Now I think we are going to eat in a restaurant. Well, no, sorry. We are going in a little bar to have a snack, and I will see you when we are there.
Just arrived at the top. A good voice, a cake, and Luana, she took a little panino somewhere there, she took a panino. To pay in Italy, it's always a mess. The people, they fight to pay. Never saw something like this. Maybe like to play where they cannot play. Shoes will be completely wet. Coralie, s'il te plaît. So guys, now it's time to come back. And this was the Monte Bisbino. Now we go eat the pizza. Hello guys, so now we are in this beautiful Italian house with this beautiful Italian family eating fucking huge pizza and listening to MotoGP. It cannot be more Italian than this. Ciao padre. Ciao Raccolino! Ciao! Ciao Raccolino! Ciao Raccolino! Look our the new friend here.
It's our new baby. I thought she was a girl, but at the end it turned out he's a boy. I'm a little disappointed.
Eccolo qua. So guys, this is the vlog of today.
Today's vlog.
And I hope that you enjoy. And we will see each other in the next day.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye from him too.
Did you